Good afternoon, children. Sairam. Today we are going to study composition, and the topic we are going to cover is procedure writing. So, open your composition notebooks, children. On the left side, we are going to write the question as usual, and before that, we are going to fill up the index. Now, before starting the actual procedure writing of the given question, let's study little bit about what is a procedure. Children, a procedure is a text type you can use to explain how to do something in a way that is easy for others to follow. Now, when we write the procedure, it's a type of text. Okay, we use it to explain how that particular thing we have done, in which way we have completed that particular activity, and we just note it down, and when anybody reads that, so it becomes easy for them to follow after reading. So that is a procedure. For example, we can write the procedure of particular recipe, then experiment, especially in science, how you have conducted that experiment. We do write the procedure of that particular experiment. Then instructions for a task. If any task is given, so to how to perform that task, we can write a procedure related to that. So these are the areas where we can write procedure of a recipe, an experiment, or instructions for a given task. Now, when we start writing a procedure actually, so what do you need in a procedure? So what exactly we need in the procedure? The first important thing we need is a title. Okay, so that title, for that title, you in that title you explains the goal or outcome of your procedure. So when we write a title of a procedure, you need a title that explains the goal or outcome of our procedure. Then second thing, materials or ingredients. So what all things we have used to perform that procedure, to do that procedure, for that all the materials which we have used, all the ingredients which we have used, we have to list them in the order they will be used in. Next important thing, method. Now how we have done that particular activity or recipe or experiment, that we have to write down. That is a method. Make sure you put the steps in the correct order. So first what you have started with, what, after that what you have done, then at the end how you finish that particular task, experiment or recipe. So in that correct order you have to put your steps. Then make each step short, simple and to the point. You have to remember, children, when we write the steps of that particular thing, you have to write that steps in short, simple and to the point. Then while writing that steps, make sure that you are using action verbs. While writing the method, we have to remember all these points. You can often use them at the beginning of the step. That action verbs can be used at the beginning of the step. Then put each step on a separate line and number each line. Now for each step you have to give a number, and on the new line you can start the next step. Then last, to finish, you can add any tips, advice or safety warnings. To finish that procedure writing, you can write any tip, advice or any safety warning you want to give. So these are all the points we have to remember while writing a procedure writing. So what all things we have studied, children? The first important thing is title. Then next important thing you have to remember, that you have to write the list of materials used or the ingredients. Then next, method, and then last, to finish. These points we have to remember when we write a procedure of given question. Now children, we are going to write procedure. Please write down this question on the left side of the page of your composition notebook, which we are doing regularly. The question is, write a procedure of how to make healthy veg sandwich. Write a procedure of how to make healthy veg sandwich. Done? Okay. Now as we studied the steps, first we are going to write the title for our procedure. So what title we will give for our related to this question? Of course, healthy veg sandwich. So the title for our procedure writing will be healthy veg sandwich. Start writing this on your right side of the page. After that, leave a line and then write down the ingredients. Now, which all ingredients are required to make healthy veg sandwich? We are going to note down. 8 to 10 slices of bread, 1 medium boiled potato sliced, 1 small onion sliced, 1 small tomato sliced, a small bell pepper sliced, a medium cucumber sliced. Then we'll need salt to taste, chaat masala powder to taste, green chutney 2 to 3 tablespoons, tomato sauce 2 to 3 tablespoons and butter. So these all things we need to make a healthy veg sandwich. Now leave a line, give heading method, and now we are going to write down the actual procedure of how to make healthy veg sandwich. First thing, what we learned, that we have to write down the steps on a new line and we have to number it. So first step we are going to write is, lay out bread slices and slather each with butter. Second step, spread the chutney on the top of the butter. Third step, on one side of the slices of bread, add some of the vegetable slices, whichever we have kept ready, tomato, potato, cucumber, bell pepper. So, on one side of the slices of bread, add some of the vegetable slices. Fourth step is, sprinkle 1 to 2 pinches of chaat masala over the vegetable slices. Sprinkle 1 to 2 pinches of chaat masala over the vegetable slices. Fifth step is, cover them with the other bread slice. Okay. First thing we have done is, we have taken a slice of a bread. Then we slather butter, then tomato sauce, then slices of different vegetables which we kept ready. And at the top of that vegetable slices, we sprinkled pinches of chaat masala. And now we are covering it with the other bread slices. And sixth step is, spread butter over the top generously. Healthy veg sandwiches are ready to eat. This way our healthy veg sandwiches are ready. Now last point is to finish. Now here we studied that you can give tip or advice to make your recipe more tasty. So what you can do, here we are giving the suggestion that you can grill the sandwiches under parents' guidance. If you want, you can grill the sandwiches under your parents' guidance, or you can eat without grilling it also. Easy, children? So I am sure you are going to make the veg sandwiches just after seeing this video. So let's stop here, children. Sai Ram.